Following the declaration of the 18th Lok Sabha election, a significant battleground has emerged between the NDA and the Indi alliance to form a government at the centre. Notably, BJP-led NDA has secured a substantial 293 seats, while the Congress-led Indi alliance has garnered 233 seats. Despite the BJP's acquisition of 240 seats, and the Congress attainment of 99, neither party has achieved the requisite absolute majority to independently form the government. Consequently, both the BJP and the Congress are slated to convene meetings later today with their respective coalition partners to explore avenues for forming a collaborative government at the centre. All NDA partners are scheduled to convene for a meeting today around 5 p.m. in New Delhi. Similarly, the Indi alliance is also set to hold a meeting at 6 p.m. in New Delhi. Both the BJP and Congress have initiated discussions with other parties to garner support for forming the government at the centre. Key figures of the NDA includes leaders of JDU, Nitish Kumar and RJD Tejaswi have travelled to New Delhi to participate in the meeting. TDP, an NDA partner, is expected to play a significant role in the government formation process alongside BJP. Chandrababu Naidu, leader of TDP, has affirmed that TDP will maintain its alliance with BJP.